So here I'm going to look at the structure of branches or warehouses within Cin7. So a couple of things to note first of all. If you hover over and go to settings, just noting that you need to be an admin to see some of these areas. You've got an option here to create a new branch or to list branches. Now branches live within the CRM. So if we go into the CRM and just here under contact type, if we look at branches. So in this example, we've got a Melbourne warehouse and a Hobart warehouse. And if I open each of these up, you'll see that the structure is very similar, but we've just replaced some address details in order to show on the purchase orders. So here we've got the Hobart warehouse, contact details, and a series of delivery address and billing addresses. And here within the Melbourne warehouse, we've got the same, but with some delivery and billing addresses that are different. Now, under the branch locations, just notice here that we've got a showroom location, and within that, we've got bins or aisles for A1 and A2. So that's set up by either just using flat text or using dash markers to place something within it. So here, when we have this warehouse, we could put something into the showroom, or we could put it to A1 or A2. So if we need to change some things around here, like if we need to change the billing address or similar, we can do that fairly easily. The other thing that comes up quite commonly is adding a branch. So here, if we go to settings, create new branch, then you get most of the standard information in here. So here, as an example, we would, under company, let's do, for example, Brisbane warehouse, and put some general details in. Obviously here it's a branch, it's active. We can put mobile numbers in if we want to and things. Now here we've got a couple of options. So head office basically means that it gets shown in a separate area to warehouses. Warehouses are fairly obvious. Retail branches if you're using point of sale, and consignment generally if you've got someone holding stock on your behalf. So here I'll place this as a warehouse. You'll see here that they've got a couple of options here. You can have something in non-stock mode, but you would never want to use that within the everyday use of Cin7. I'm not going to put any locations in here, but what I will do is just put a delivery address in and copy it to billing. Give that a save. And now if I were to go into a new sales order, then as well as all the standard information up the top here, you'll see now if I hover over the Hobart warehouse, you'll see that I've got a Hobart warehouse and a Melbourne warehouse. I don't currently have a Brisbane warehouse because I've not placed any stock in as yet. Hopefully that makes sense. If there's any questions, obviously you can contact us as always.